Hello, I'm Woodrow Wilcox. This is Mr. Edward Wroblewski. Mr. Edward Wroblewski is a veteran, and I'm the Senior Problem Resolution Officer at the largest senior citizen-oriented insurance agency in the Midwest. Mr. Wroblewski has come here to our office several times, and I've helped him with Medicare billing problems that he's experienced. Would you like to tell us about that, Mr. Wroblewski?
Well, the reason I came here is that I received some statements from the VA, and there was a great deal of co-payments involved, and that thoroughly confused me. And it's because of this confusion that I decided to come down and see Woody to help me out to understand all this. Woody has been very aggressive and thorough agent that I feel comfortable being with, and so today he had called the VA administration, and through Woody and the VA administration, this confusion has somewhat been cleared to me.
I was talking about in the past, over the last 5 years, I've served you on several occasions.
Yes, you have. That's why I come to you with these problems, and I leave after having a session with you. I feel quite comfortable that the problems that I presented to you have been resolved.
Some of those were Medicare billing problems where the bill wasn't getting paid, and I straightened things out to get the bill paid.
Yes, exactly, yeah.
Today, Mr. Wroblewski came to me, and he had some questions, and I called Veterans Administration with him, and we learned some things. By the way, I've been helping senior citizens and veterans for over 5 years. If you'd like to read some of the articles I've written, especially the article Helping Senior Citizen Veterans, go to my website, woodrowwilcox.com, and read the article Helping Senior Citizen Veterans. That's very important. Every senior citizen veteran in the U.S. should read that, because reading that article may save you over $1,000 this year, next year, and the year after that. Today we were talked to the VA about his co-pays, and I asked some questions, and I want to let you know what Veterans Administration told me. They said that Veterans Administration will not bill Medicare, so you have to work it a certain way so that your Medicare supplemental insurance and your VA benefits work together instead of working against each other, and that's what that article that I mentioned is all about. Otherwise, you may end up paying over $1,000 a year, that if you're a senior citizen veteran, that you don't have to pay. Today I asked the tough questions. They said, well, you know, veterans can always go to the VA center to get prescriptions and pay a small copay. But I asked, well, what about a senior citizen veteran who's signed up for Medicare Part D? How does that work? And Veterans Administration will not bill Medicare or Medicare insurance company or pharmaceutical company to help you with your Medicare D policy if you've purchased one. Also, I asked, well, what if a senior citizen travels to another state and he visits his children and his grandchildren, or goes to a veterans convention and ends up in a car accident and ends up in a hospital? How does that work? He can't get to the Veterans Center in order to get his prescription, so how is his medicine going to get paid if he's in the hospital and needs medicine there, or if he needs medicine immediately upon release from the hospital, but he can't get to a Veterans Administration Center? And they said that in the hospital, the veteran would have to notify the VA, or have the hospital notify the VA that the veteran is in the hospital, and that there'd have to be a contact of Veterans Administration in their Department V basis in order to coordinate payment for medicine. We feel that's a very important thing for senior citizen veterans to know. And we found out also that if you want more information, you could go to www.va.gov and put in the search engine the word Medicare, and that will come up with articles to help you coordinate your Medicare benefits with your VA benefits so that you're not paying more than what you should. And I want to thank you, Mr. Wroblewski, for coming in today, and also for letting me talk to you on camera and put this on the internet.
Well, I appreciate your going through this with me. I know sometimes it could get complicated, but you did say something that I've read some of your articles, and the last article that really brought this problem to my attention was that article that you had put in the paper concerning veterans and co-payments, and that's the reason I came to see you. I was as in the past. I think you've done a damn good job.
Thank
That's
you
all
very
I
much.
can say.
Thank you very much. We hope that this video has been helpful to you. If you want to read more articles, go to woodrowwilcox.com and read the articles. I've written about 100 articles over the last 5 years to help senior citizens, and I'm starting to post most of those articles at woodrowwilcox.com. Thank you.
Thank you.